Hey guys, what's going on? Sorry, I just woke up, but this is my little project for this weekend. I got a heat shield with ghost ring sights for my shotgun here, but the problem is these tabs that wrap around the barrel won't allow me to move the fore end here. So right now I've been using a Dremel to try to grind off some of the polymer to get it to slide correctly. Let's see if any of that grinding helped at all. Now I need to work on the front end a little bit more. So what I'm doing is I'm just wrapping a towel around the receiver, front of the receiver here, and then I'm placing it into a vise. Clamping it down, hold it steady, and the towel is basically for A, to help keep shit out of the insides, and B, because it helps protect the finish. First, I need to do a little more grinding here on the front end, so that's what I'm going to start doing. Okay, I was able to fit it back on the barrel, and it works great now. Let me just dry fire real quick. And show you the slide here. Smooth. I'm just gonna next I want to move this back a little bit so this right here is behind here. So I'll show you when I'm done with that. Well, here it is. Get that heat shield on. Let's see from the other side.